Hello, I'm going to be introducing the GRC-Maestro Platform. Now we call it GRC because it covers governance, risk and also compliance. Clients use the platform for a range of governance, risk and compliance assessments, also for rule checking and for their record keeping. Let's start off by taking a look at the Maestro platform. The platform has got a range of assessments. It's also used for rule checking and record keeping. And then the underlying platform itself is used to launch questionnaires, manage them, and also manage and resolve issues identified. And finally, all the data in the system can be exported for management reporting. Baker Regulatory have designed and built a range of assessments, and these include risk scoring, statistical analysis, and also best practices. Clients can also build their own assessments built on their specific requirements, for example regulatory and statutory rules, industry guidelines and best practices, as well as their own internal policies and procedures. And finally, assessments can be built by our partners covering a range of governance, risk and compliance topics, for example virtual assets, outsourcing, cybersecurity, anti-bribery corruption, etc. Rules can be built into questions. So in this instance, the answer to a particular question creates an issue for investigation, and an email is sent to a compliance manager to notify them. Whenever a firm needs to record data, they can simply ask questions. So here we're being asked to record a date, a customer's AML risk assessment, as well as attaching a copy of a file. And we can also validate the data input. The Maestro system can create new questionnaires automatically based on a schedule, so perhaps weekly, quarterly, etc. It can also create those new questionnaires manually on demand or automatically based on events in other systems. The questionnaires are dynamic, and this means an answer to a question can either create new questions or launch a whole new section. And as I showed earlier, there's also input validation. If an answer to a question fails a rule check, then the system automatically creates an issue. Issues can be classified then as passes or fails by a manager with the reason. It's also optional to add tasks to an issue, and these tasks can be resolved before closing the issue. And this for me is the most exciting bit of GRC-Maestro. We're able to export the data we've recorded into management reporting tools like Power BI, Click or Tableau, and actually analyze the data we've got. If you would like more information about the GRC-Maestro platform or any of our assessments, do contact us. You can contact Barry Fordermeer, the Baker Regulatory CEO, or me, Adrian Pay. And thank you very much for watching.